To change the size of the assistant menu icon on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, tap the assistant menu icon. Swipe the menu screen to the left or right to find the menu setting. Tap the menu setting. Tap assistant menu size. And then select the desired size you like to use. There are 3 sizes available: small, medium, and large. As the example, we will set it to large to make the icon more visible. As you can see that the assistant menu icon is now displayed in large size. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.